Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to download ICICI Bank e-statement month-wise or entire financial year. It's very simple tips and tricks. You just follow my instruction and download as e-statement month and year wise. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to log in as internet banking in your mobile screen or computer screen. So here I'm logging of my username password, and then here is my bank ID. Some values available on my bank account. So here some options are available like overview, bank account, payment transfer, card and loan, investment and insurance, deposit, PPF and e-statement. You just simply click the e-statement, and after clicking the e-statement you want download as a month wise. So simply select here month. If any of month of the entire last couple of 3-4 years, I opened this account in like February 2019. All every month's transactions are displayed here. I just simply select here in the August. Here two options are there. You want download as a CSV file, means Excel sheet, or PDF file. So I want just download as a PDF file. So I just simply click the PDF file, and then look at this here. My entire transaction informations are comes in the PDF format as a single month. Now I want download this value as a year wise. So here here two options are there, mini statement and view detail statement. So I click here view detail statement, and then after here two options are there, transaction from this date to that date and next transaction period. So I just simply click here in the transaction period. So today, last 1 month, last 2 months, last 3 months, last 6 months, or last 1 year, or financial 2020 to 21, 2019 to 2020, and 2018 to 19. So simply I select here 2020 to 21, and then view detail statement. I click here view detail statement. So look at this here in this like a 26/5/2020 to till today. The transactions are comes here in the like some pages are display here, like last page of my 4 pages is this, but I just simply download here in the PDF format. Click here, and the all transaction are display here like this, 26/5/2020. So I just see this last one like a 33/2021 is a all financial year of PDF format I downloaded. So it's very simple to download e-statement in your ICICI Bank. It's quite simple. You can use these tips and tricks and download. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.